We are here. I don't have all my makeup on. I do have some of it on. And we're going to try R.E.M. Beauty. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below on this video too. Don't skip my ads because boo-boo. Let's get into it, I guess, right? So, the website was really nice. I really like the diversity of the models. I like the layout. I think everything was really well done on the website, but it was a little confusing. It was a little confusing because some of the colors were, I don't know, some of the colors were a little off from what I was seeing other people receiving on video. I know camera and video and picture, they all kind of differ, but on the website I almost couldn't follow like which number was which product because they kind of were kept switching around, like the number and the order in the picture. So I got a little confused picking the right shades, but other than that it seemed really okay. Pretty nice. I like how well thought the whole theme and everything is. But another thing that kind of bothered me about the website was there was no way to track my package. Like I had to download this weird app, which I now have deleted, but like it's supposed to track your package for you, but it only showed me like my order, so it didn't even. So I was like, okay, that's weird. It took about a week to get to me after estimating it that it would take like 2 weeks. So quicker than I had anticipated, right? Because I was told 2 weeks, but I got it in like a week, so that's always nice. Already done, kind of like what she did in her video that she put up, which I was so excited to see come on beauty guru R.E.M. So here I goes trying to do a makeup look. I think I might do a different makeup look than I had originated because my hair right now is not straight. Okay, I thought that the pricing was a little high. I thought the pricing was a little high, baby girl. I almost spent $100 already. So it is more, yeah, you want 4 or 5 products for $100, like, as long as they matter. What look we can achieve? I am going to use Merit Mood. This is a blush, even though I don't know if she wears blush, but I'm gonna put my blush on. Just a little bit. Oh yes. Oh. The eyeshadow looks like that. Poof, smells like mothballs. Poof, oh my god. There's a bit of, there is a bit of fallout. That's what I'm noticing. It's looking like it is buildable. It's something I have to stroke downwards like that. Okay. Oh yeah, it is buildable, look at that. I kind of want to use my finger. And really just tap it on. I'm going to go in with this mauvey pink right here. Very subtle colors, very and then kind of just make a like that. It's just like super easy to use. I feel like a lot of little girls are going to really love this as their first makeups, but also like a makeup artist who has a kid or is like me who does beauty YouTube videos, like I love how easy this is. Definitely if you want a more like skilled look, you just use more product, or you use them like, you know, however you want. But I'm just gonna go over again with this mauve color and just tap that in here, blending the two, and then I think we're done with the eye part. I don't want to take too long. I'll probably edit the crap out of this. It does need a little bit of something. I feel like a little bit darker, maybe one more layer of this. I don't want it to get too dramatic, right? I don't want it to get too dramatic. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. So far, I rate this a 9.5 out of 10. I do think the pricing is a little pricey, but also the packaging is very sleek and gives me like MacBook vibes, like a little MacBook. I love the quality of it. It's actually better than I expected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades. Do they look like they would be in the old Urban Decay palette? Yes, but they're Urban Decay quality, and I think that's good. I think that's good. So we're gonna move on. Doing the Midnight Black eyeliner. Very excited for this. It's a white eyeliner. I'm a little bit nervous, but let's just dive into it, right? I should probably record this for like TikTok or something. I don't know. Something is missing. I don't know if it's like that I need lashes or something. Here I go. Trying to use it how she used it in that video. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to use my own mascara, which is the Merit mascara. I don't know where my dang curling, because it's really like lightweight. Simple, easy. Okay, that one came out a little bit spidery, but that's okay. So I want to do the marker, the lip marker. I found this to be, it's in Booked and Busy, a really beautiful tone shade. God, it smells like alcohol-y, but let's, my lips are pretty dry. Let's see if this clings. I really hope it doesn't. My lips are a little, they're okay. Like, I don't remember when I exfoliated, but. All right, here we go. Oh, that's pretty. All right. Doesn't taste like anything. I think, I don't know why the lighting is a little bit like blue. That's a little bit better, right? A little bit more true to color. Anyway, so I do like this lip stain. It's a lot more dark purpley than I expected, but I think it does look really nice. It is a stain, so it's not gonna grip your lip like any other product. So it does give a interesting finish, right? It's a stain. Okay. I am gonna put a little bit of Wine and Dine over this. Ooh. Look how cute. I think this is the cutest little bullet. It's not as small as I thought it would be. I thought it looked really tiny in other people's hands. It's on the smaller side, but it's not like as microscopic as I thought it was. Very nice, clean. Love this color. Oh my gosh. Did I tell you what this is called? Wine and Dine. Okay, here we go. Ooh. It's very silky. Ooh, that's nice. I really like how it feels. It's like a powdery, it's like a powdery but hydrating but dry feeling. I don't know how to explain it. It's really nice actually. I'm gonna blot a little bit off though. Get more of like a lip stainy effect. Okay, I just want to put on a little bit of highlighter on my face and then the Merit highlighting stick. This thing is incredible. Yes, it is oily, I realized. So I just like to put it at the palm of my hand and tap it on the high points of my cheek. And then do the other side. Just gives a really, really dewy, glowy effect. I want to go over my eyebrows a little bit.